Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the Lufeiya White Computer Desk, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your home office or bedroom. This 47-inch desk is designed with a modern, simple style, featuring 2 storage shelves and 4 fabric drawers with wooden fronts, allowing you to customize your storage space to fit your needs. Made from thick P2 particle wood board, this desk is scratch-resistant, anti-collision, and waterproof, ensuring durability and protection from daily wear and tear. Its sturdy structure is reinforced with extra fixed steel brackets and adjustable leg pads, providing stability and protecting your floors with non-slip, anti-scratch protectors. The desk is USPTO patent approved, and its space-saving design makes it ideal for students, teens, and adults alike. Assembly is a breeze with a detailed instruction manual and included tools, taking only about 20 minutes to set up. Plus, with professional customer service and easy replacements for any quality issues, the Lufeiya White Computer Desk is a reliable choice for your workspace needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.